Hi guys! So in this video I'm going to discuss on the product of a trinomial and a binomial. Usually if we're going to multiply a trinomial and a binomial, the result has four terms. For example, in here, quantity of x squared plus 2x minus 2 times x plus 3. If we're going to multiply this one, the result here will be x squared times x is x cubed. Then x squared times 3 will be 3x squared. Then 2x times x will be 2x squared. Then 2x times 3 will be 6x. And negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. So combining like terms, we're going to have x cubed, then plus 5x squared. Then 6x minus 2x is 4x. Then minus 6. So we're going to have here four terms. But there are times that if you multiply a trinomial and a binomial, the result will be just the sum and difference of two cubes. The product of a trinomial and a binomial can be expressed as a sum or difference of two cubes if they are in the following form. Number 1, quantity of a squared minus ab plus b squared times the quantity of a plus b will be equal to a cubed plus b cubed. So in here, you're going to look at the binomial. Now in the trinomial, you can observe that the first term here is just the square of the first term of the binomial, so a squared. Then the second term will be the negative of the product of the two, so negative of a times b. Then the third term here will be the square of the second term, which is b. Now if you're going to have that pattern or format, you can have your answer simply as a cubed plus b cubed. So you're going to raise the first term of the binomial to power of 3, or you're going to cube the first term, plus you're going to cube the second term, which is b, so b cubed. Now in the second one, a squared plus 2, in the second one, a squared plus ab plus b squared times the quantity of a minus b. So the answer here is a cubed minus b cubed. So we're going to have in the first term of the trinomial here, the square of the first term of the binomial. Then the second term will be the product of the two, a times b. Then the third term will be the square of the second term, which is b. So we're going to have b squared. And if we're going to have that format, the answer again is a cubed minus b cubed, the difference of two cubes. So if we're going to have an example here, number 1, quantity of x squared minus 3x plus 9 times the quantity of x plus 3. If we're going to look at the trinomial here, based on the binomial, first term is x, and the first term of the trinomial here is the square of the first term, x. Then the second term here will be the negative of the product of the two, so x times 3, and its negative is negative 3x. Then the third term is the square of the second term, which is 3, so 3 squared is 9. So this one follow the pattern in case number 1 in here. So in here, we're going to have the result as the cube of the first term plus the cube of the second term. So our first term here is x, and our second term here in the binomial is 3. So for our answer, we're going to have the cube of the first term plus the cube of the second term. So x cubed plus 3 cubed, and 3 cubed is equal to 27. So we're going to have our answer as x cubed plus 27. Then for number 2, this is x squared plus 4x plus 16 times the quantity of this is x minus 4. So this one follow the pattern in case number 2. So you're going to have your answer here as a cubed minus b cubed, or cube of the first term minus cube of the second term. So you're going to have here x cubed minus 4, the value of b cubed. Then this one is x cubed, then negative 4 cubed is equal to 64. So x cubed minus 64. Again, this is not positive, this is negative. And for number 3, quantity of x squared minus 6x plus 36 times the quantity of x plus 6. The first term here is square of the first term of the binomial. The second term is the negative of the product of these two. And the third term is the square of the second term of the binomial. So this one follows the pattern in case number 1. So we're going to have our answer as the cube of the first term of the binomial, x, then plus the cube of the second term, so 6 times 6 times 6, 6 cube, that will be 36 times 6, and 36 times 6 will be 6 times 6, 36, 6 times 3, 18, plus 3, that will be 21, so 216. So your answer will be x cubed plus 216. Then for number 4, quantity of 4x squared plus 2x plus 1 times the quantity of 2x minus 1. So if we're going to look at the trinomial based on the binomial, the first term here is just the square of the first term of the binomial. The second is the product of the 2x and 1. So 2x times 1 is 2x. And the third term is just the square of the second term, which is 1. So this one follows the pattern in number 2, or case number 2. So our answer will be the cube of the first term. So the first term is 2x. So you're going to cube that one. Then minus 1 cube, the second term here. So 2x cubed, that will be 8x cubed. Then 1 cube will be 1. So this is minus 1. I hope this video helped you. If you have questions about the topic, please comment down below, and see you next time.